Check it out. Look at this party. Here, check these out. Door LEDs. Door pocket LEDs synced up with the OEM stuff. Hey everyone, today we have some ambient door handle bow lights from hansshow. I'm putting them on my friend's Model Y Juniper, but these also work for the Highland Model 3. That's the new Model Y, that's the new Model 3. And my friend's Model Y Juniper is honestly, it's getting insane, okay? There are lights everywhere. He's got upgrades going in like every week. I know because I'm putting most of them in. In the intro, I showed all kinds of lights that he's got. You can get tons of this stuff from hansshow. The dash lights, the door strip lights, those are brand new, video coming soon. These door handle lights, the charger lights, 2 different charger lights, charging pad and a different charger in there too. That pad is all lit up. The power shade lit up. He's got underglow lights. He's got the new front bar light coming. So anyway, all kinds of ambient lights on his car. Videos I either already have, will link below, and new ones coming soon. Please like, subscribe, set your notifications. All right, so back to these door handle lights. What is fantastic about these lights is they are fully integrated with the Tesla UI. So on the screen, you know how you change your ambient lights within the car, the Tesla lights? These change along with them. I don't think I show that at all in my video, but the hansshow video shows it. Whatever you change in your car, it goes right along with it. It's synced up perfectly, which makes these lights really fantastic. And please use the discount links below. They will save you the most amount of money. A lot of times they'll save you an extra 1 or 2% over the codes that they're always throwing out at you. And I would appreciate it. It really helps me out. Use the link, use my code TeslaMark, and then subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get going. So the install does take some time. I use the hansshow overall install video because overall it's good, but I do cut in with a bunch of tips and ways to make the install even easier and take less time, because that's what I'm all about, all right? Just making life easier for you. At the end of the video, I show a little bit more of my friend's, the interior of his car, all the different lights that are going on in there. All the links are down below for all the products that he's got on his car. Another reason to subscribe, to follow along with my friend's Model Y Juniper. The thing is, it's crazy. We've got all kinds of stuff planned for it. The bigger plan right now is to lower, trying to figure out what suspension to use for that. And we're gonna be testing out a couple different front bar lighting kits. So anyway, yeah, follow along. All right, way late to do an unboxing, but especially we got one of the door panels off already and forgot to do an unboxing, but here's basically what comes with it. You've got your 4 different wiring harnesses. These are all the same, so all 4 doors. You've got your actual lights. These bigger ones are for the back doors. These smaller ones are for the front. And I don't know where the 4th one is. Anyway, somewhere around here. Oh, it's here. The hansshow video says to take the entire wiring harness off, and that's just to make it easier to move the whole door panel around and actually work on it. I decided not to, just leave everything on except a couple of them here and work on a door panel this way. We'll see. If it's a lot more difficult to do it this way, I'll let you guys know, but I think this is just makes it easier, just because these things are a lot of things to unplug and unclip. Again, it's not that bad, but doing it this way. Yeah, I took this door thing off too. before doing the whole install and wiring and everything, I want to make sure that these things actually work. So I'm going to plug it in with the harness first, and the door, get the power from back here. We'll show you that. Or that's in the hand show install video, but I just wanted to show this part here cut in to test this first. Make sure it works before you do all of this extra work. Okay, so this is, you can kind of see that blue glow in there. This is the ambient light power source, and I unplugged this, the existing wire, from here, and you push, there's a little, get this on here, it's a little tab right there, you just kind of push on that and pull it out. And so this is you're just connecting in here, right? This is a pass-through, and then this end of the wire, then we are going to plug into our new actually, voila, so we know it works. Sweet. Okay, so the little module and everything that goes in there, be sure to tape this stuff down. You don't want it rattling around later. It might not, but it might. So anyway, I just happen to have this Gorilla Tape stuff and taped it down. First door is done, and even in the light here, that is a nice glow. Looks good. Check it out. Look at this party. Oh, this is looking cool. Here, check these out. Door LEDs. Door pocket LEDs synced up with the OEM stuff. This is not. These are just party lights here. Got all kinds of party going on. Oh my god. And yeah, if this is not enough, we got this hansshow light bar for the front. Model Y Juniper. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's right. I forgot about these. This is like 360, full 360 party going on.